An absolutely warm welcome to the 14th edition of National Additive Manufacturing Innovation Cluster Global Additive Manufacturing Summit 2025.
This year, as we mark our 10th year anniversary since inception, NAMIC's mission is to strengthen Singapore's position in the global manufacturing value chain. We do this by leveraging on our world-class additive manufacturing, research, and business ecosystem, strong IP protection regime, and very extensive talent pool to accelerate the adoption and commercialization of AM technology solutions.
So the question for all of us here is no longer just how do we stay efficient. It's about how do we build agility into the DNA of our operations. That's why this year's theme, Unlocking Agility with Digitalisation and Additive Manufacturing, is so timely.
The desire to bring the world thought leaders and entrepreneurs in additive manufacturing to Singapore so that they can showcase the state-of-the-art solutions and, of course, innovative thinking and mindset. The idea was to really level up in the thinking process and mindset so that it can actually take this forward for their own enterprise transformation initiatives.
Having attended GAMS for the first time this year, I can see that it's extremely well organized, is providing a great service to people here in Singapore and people flying in from around the world to attend. Great information, good content, especially the people and the relationships that are being produced at this event.
This is important because it provides actually a good platform for networking, bringing additive manufacturing experts globally together here. And I think that's a great opportunity to exchange experiences.
In the last 10 years, if I look at this event and how it's matured and other events like this across the world, we're seeing a real maturity in the industry and the supply chains. And I really think that this is getting to a point where it's ready to take the next big step.
For the startups, you need to see the true potential is in the end user side, and you need to see the final picture of additive manufacturing is the end user could apply this technology to create value for them from design to the final parts.
What excites me is how this technology is transforming from just a prototyping tool into one that becomes a true production technology. We will allow companies to compete not just on cost, but on new features like speed, flexibility, and the ability to customize.
Dear friends, I just want to say how incredible it is to see all of you here. NAMIC today is unrecognizable from when we started, and the number of companies that we work with now has now grown to the hundreds. And thank you for being our partners.
At IC2 Prep House, we are dedicated to empower children and youth with visual impairment to live independent and fulfilling life. NAMIC, Tositella, and IC2 have worked hand in hand to redefine the tactile designs, integrate Braille, and optimize the 3D printing process. This project became a shining example of how technology and empathy can come together to make learning truly inclusive.